Hello everyone. The next topic in context-free grammar is derivation and parse tree. So derivation is the process of deriving a given string from the start symbol. That is what is called as derivation. As we have seen in previous examples, you were asked to derive a string using the production rule. So that is derivation. And parse tree is also called as derivation tree. This is a graphical representation. So parse tree is graphical representation of the derivation that you are doing to get the string. There are a few properties of parse tree. The root node is always the start symbol, which is capital S, usually in the production rules. The leaf node is made up of terminals. Terminals are your lowercase letters. Internal node is made up of variables. Those are your capital letters. And the parse tree should be read from left to right. Let's take one example and understand these properties. So usually the question will be, you will be given production rules and you will be asked to draw the parse tree or derive certain string. Okay, let's start. These are the production rules given. Let's say the string that you want to derive is A, B, B. This is the string that I want to derive. So let's have a look at how the derivation can be written. This is the derivation, and here we'll be drawing the parse tree. Let's start. Starting symbol, it should always begin with this. If you observe, it's written here. It should always be the start symbol. The root node should always be the start symbol. So let's start with this. I want to derive string which begins with A. So S can be replaced only with one production rule, and that is AB. You also have to show which production rule you have used for substitution. Next, I want a string that begins with A. So have a look at the productions of A. Which is the production that will give you two A's? If I select single A, I will not be able to generate two A's. So I select the other production rule and keep this B as it is. Again, using the it is using the production rule, A derives AA. Next, I want one more A, so AA and B. This time I have used the production rule, A derives A. This capital B, I can replace it with these two options. Because I want to generate two B's, I'll opt for the first one and not the second one, because the second one is going to give you only single B. So AA, BB, I have used this production rule. Finally, I want single B to generate the string. So AA and BB. Using the production rule, B derives B. This is the derivation of the string. Now the parse tree. Let's see how to make the parse tree. I started off with S. So this becomes my root node, S. Then I have replaced S with A and B. So make two links, A and B. Then A was replaced with AA. So again two arrows. This is A and this is A. Then this A was also replaced using single A. So whenever you terminate it, we usually show it using a straight line. Then B was replaced using B, B, and in the next step, this B was converted into the single B. And this shows your string read from left to right. This is A, B, B. If you read from left to right, this is how you read your parse tree. I hope you have understood this derivation. Thank you.